Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're bringing pork loin and puff pastry together. I know, I'm excited about it too. So let's get started. This is 1.25 pounds of pork tenderloin. Now, we've cut that pork tenderloin in half. This is a rolled out sheet of puff pastry. And you want 2 of those. On our first puff pastry, I'm going to line the inside of it with some mustard. Now, if you're not a fan of mustard, you can use horseradish, pesto, even some barbecue sauce, whatever you prefer. Now, we're going to bring one of the halves of our pork tenderloin and put right in the center of this puff pastry on top of the mustard. Now, this is the point where you'll want to put on your favorite seasoning or salt and pepper. If you've seen some of my previous episodes, you'll know I love the Tony's Creole. So that is what I'll be sprinkling on top of the pork today. Now we're going to roll our pork. And before I do that, before we roll it up in the puff pastry, I always like to cut the edges off with a pizza cutter, so I have a nice clean piece of puff pastry. Now you're just gonna pull in the edges, the very ends, and then fold over like so. Now you're going to place your pork bundle seam side down onto your baking tray. Now, I'll only be cooking one of these today, so if you make both of them and you eat both of them, you can cook them simultaneously with the next steps I'm about to show you. And if you'd like to freeze one for later, you can certainly do that too. As you can see here, we have our pork bundle seam side down on a single sheet of parchment paper on our solid pan. And now it's ready to load into our convection steam oven. The solid pan is loaded on level 2. You will set to auto steam bake mode, 410 degrees for 30 minutes. Foodies, look at our beautiful pork loin and puff pastry. Golden brown perfection. Now remember, we didn't coat this in egg wash or oil or anything, so be sure to save those calories, foodies. Let's get this beauty plated. Well, that was easy, and it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.